Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy audiobooks on Audible using credits, and we're using the mobile app for this video. I'm using the iPhone or iOS Audible app, but it's the exact same on Android as well. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So I'm on the Audible app right now, and basically there are a few ways to find different titles that you could purchase. Up here on the top right there's a search button. Press in there, and then it gives you some suggestions for popular new releases or suggested searches. You could even start typing in the exact title that you're looking for. However, I'm going to back out of here. You can also, on the homepage, you can scroll down and look at Audible only exclusives, suggestions based on your Amazon library, European history. There's so many different suggestions, bestsellers. You can also go on the bottom row of buttons and go to the Discover tab. And then we can actually go through all of the categories, business and careers down to sports and outdoors, bestsellers through the years, etc. However, I have a book in mind, and I'm going to go up to the search button and then start typing in Unruly by David Mitchell, because I hear this is a good book. And then from there, it brings up this page. Up at the top, we've got the audiobook artwork. You've got some more information about the audiobook, how long it is as well. We can see it's 11 hours and 39 minutes, 4.8 stars. The author of the book, then the person that's actually narrating the audiobook. So it's David Mitchell by David Mitchell. And then from there, you've got a preview section. So if you click into there, you will actually get a 5-minute sample to listen to before you make that purchase. And then from there, it actually says credits available. In my account, there are 5 credits that we can use. Each book is going to cost 1 credit. And then right below, we can see an orange button that says buy with 1 credit. I'm going to click that. Then it says add to your library using 1 credit. I'm going to press confirm. And now it says success. Thank you, your title is being delivered to your library. This may take a few minutes. Refresh your library if you do not see it. And then you can press view in library. Or you can actually go down to, let's go back to home. If you want to find your books, you can go to the library section on the bottom row of buttons, press into the library. I always refresh by sort of holding the screen and swiping down, and then as well, and because I'm on an iPhone and let's say I don't have an internet connection when I'm traveling, maybe on a plane or in remote parts when I'm driving around, I want to have the Audible audiobook downloaded onto this device so that I can hear it without any buffering or stopping. So what we need to do, you can see a download button on the audiobook artwork on the left-hand side of the listing. I'm going to click that. And then now we can see how fast the audiobook is taking to download on this device. And from there, once you're ready to actually use it, there's a play button on the right-hand side of the listing. Press that. It's going to launch the listening window, and then you can listen to your audiobook. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.